Hey guys, welcome to the revealing episode of my new car. I'm so excited to show you guys what's going on, and yeah, it's definitely going to be a step up for this channel. The car is right behind this door, so yeah, before I open it, comment down below, what do you reckon I got? And then obviously do it before I open the garage door, but if you're right, I guess you're a good guesser. But yeah, without further ado, let me open this garage door and show you guys the new car I got. Let's go. Well, there you have it guys, another short wheelbase Pajero, but this time it's a 2006 NS Pajero with the 3.2 litre diesel engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. So yeah, plenty of grunt, heaps bigger. I'm so excited to show you guys what it's got to offer. And then of course, it came with some pretty good 18-inch alloy wheels, which I reckon looks awesome. And yeah, this is basically how I bought the car. And apart from that, I've put a 2-inch lift kit on and some 32-inch tires, just so it's a bit higher for Fraser Island. And yeah, I actually just came back. So yeah, the video is in production. But for now, let me take you through the car and show you what it has to offer. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so let's start with the good stuff first. So as I mentioned, this is a 3.2 litre diesel engine. It's been around for a long time and it's still in the current model, which means they haven't changed anything, which is pretty good, and it means that this motor is extremely reliable. I've heard of people getting over 600,000 kilometers without changing a single thing. That includes the turbo and all those sort of things. So that was a big selling point for me. And then yeah, basically what I've done to it is put a new battery in there just in case, and it also came with a rust protection kit. I'm not too sure how effective it is, to be honest. But I guess it's a bonus. Apart from that, stock airbox, radiator, nothing has been touched, so that's pretty good. Oh, actually, a bonus. This car has a EGR delete and also had a manifold clean about 5,000 kilometers ago, and it's currently on 250,000 kilometers. Feels like a new car. I highly recommend getting a manifold clean and a EGR delete. It makes a big difference to your vehicle and it won't be suited up as much as it will be with the EGR open. So yeah, anyway, let's move on to the next bit. Alrighty guys, so when it comes to the wheels and tires, so the rims are the CSA satin black Raptor style wheels. I reckon they look the part. And yeah, I really like them, so I reckon I'll keep them. And then the tires that I put in is the Bridgestone High Terrain dealer tires, and they are 255/70 R18, so they are a 32.1 inch tire if you're into that. With a 2-inch lift, they fill the guards very well. It does scrub on the front here and at the back, so what I've done is I've removed the front flaps and the back flaps, and now it doesn't scrub at all, which is awesome. But yeah, I rate them. They look nice and the tires are very soft on road as well, and I'll probably run them in before I change to all-terrain in the future. But for now, I like them. Alrighty, so it's now time for us to get into the car. Have a look at this. Alright, so sitting in the car, there's obviously a lot of stuff going on. It looks so good. It comes with the throttle controller too, the high-end one, so you've got a fair different modes as well. So automatic mode, your overtake mode, and your economy mode too. I just leave it in automatic, and yeah, makes a big difference, honestly. The other things as well, it comes with cruise control. Oh yeah, that's very nice for trips. And then this beautiful screen over here. So luckily I don't have to play around with head unit. It comes with an awesome head unit. This is like a standalone unit as well. So it comes with maps, and then there's a fair bit of things here. So you can Google, you can watch YouTube, you can connect Bluetooth, you can play Apple Music. So here's all your maps. So it comes with this dash cam too. So look at that. It just sits up there. So that looks pretty cool. Can even use it off-road if you really want to. So yeah, just a few applications there that you can use, and then obviously radio as well. So yeah, it comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay too. So that is an absolute weapon of a thing. I'll try and find it for you guys and put it in the link of the description so you guys can do it yourself. Even shows your battery over there, which is pretty cool. Yes, I like that. That looks nice. Alright, anyway, let's move on. What a pleasure it is to sit at the back of a nice short wheelbase. This is probably the only short wheelbase that I've sit in where there's actually room for your knees. Just look at that. Heaps of room. Sits very comfortable. You can easily put a whole family in here. No worries. It comes with cup holders as well, an armrest. What more do you want? Even comes with windows that can open there. And oh, yeah, I wouldn't mind sitting here at all. Heaps of room, so that's a big bonus. So one other thing I've added to the car is this socket over here. So it works very well, it just plugs in to the center console here. So here's my UHF as well, heaps of room in here too. So yeah, it just plugs in there, comes to the back, and then people can plug in their phones. Hope you can see that. Okay, so last but not least is the boot. Alright, so being a short wheelbase, there's obviously not a lot of space, but it's to be expected. But it's pretty decent size. You can still put a fridge in there, no worries. And then also underneath here, I've got a fire extinguisher, my tow bar, and just some tools in case you break down. So yeah, you've got some more storage there. And then obviously in the door, it's not heaps, it's just a fair bit of things. Kayon actually sells a table that bolts onto the Pajero, and I reckon I'm gonna get it, so I'll show you guys when I get that. But yeah, just makes more space to, you know, do some camping stuff with it, I guess. But yeah, you can also let down the seats, and then you have heaps of room to put all your stuff. I've put my gazebo in here, 3-meter gazebo. So if I can do that, then I reckon it's more than enough space. So yeah, happy with that. Awesome. Well, there you go, guys. That's the run through of my Pajero Shorty. I'm super stoked to have another Shorty. It's what I've wanted. I didn't want to go for a ute or anything because then you have to set up the tray, and I already have the camper trailer, so I don't really want to do that. But yeah, the main reason going for this one is there's plenty of parts available, whereas with the Pajero IO there was barely something. You had to source it from China or something. So yeah, very happy that there's many parts for this vehicle. I'm very excited to make it grow bigger and better. But yeah, are you a Shorty fan? Let me know in the comments below. I'm keen to know. Do you prefer a Shorty or a long wheelbase, SUV, a ute? What is your go-to? But yeah, for me, it's the Shorty. It's the one I've always wanted as well. And being a diesel and automatic, it's going to be so cool. It has a towing capacity of 2.5 ton as well, so that's heaps. Heaps for my trailer. But yeah, you'll probably noticed I didn't talk about the throttle controller or the suspension in detail, but that will be in another episode because that's pretty special. It's the first time happening on this channel. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you have to wait and see. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for joining in. I'm so keen to share the next big adventure with you guys. It's going to be so fun building this thing up. But yeah, it's all about having fun and, you know, getting out there and just enjoying yourself with mates and all those sort of things. Yeah, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next episode. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. See ya.